Good Tuesday morning, YHS. Time for the quote of the day. This one from Helen Keller. Helen Keller had some challenges. If you think you've had some challenges or you've gotten a tough shake, just read up on Helen Keller and you'll realize how blessed that you are. But she had a quote that says, "Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see the shadows," or you cannot see a shadow. And so many times we're looking for things in the dark. We're looking on the dark side of things. So much of it is mindset. And you just got to look into the sun. You got to look for the good that is going on, not necessarily all of the negative stuff. We could wallow in the negative all day long, but we got to shake it off, look into the sunshine, look for the bright side, and get after it. Here's your Tuesday warm-up for 3 rounds, some more running, same thing, 400 meters. Go out for a minute, back for a minute if you're unsure of the distance. When you get back from that run, that walk run, then I want you to do 3 inchworms. This time we're going to do a push-up in the middle. And so you do 1, 2, 3 inchworms and then do 12 jumping lunges. We'll have a demo for that for you here in a little bit with Austin.
All right, guys, happy Tuesday. We're here with Tuesday's warm-up. What we're going to do is we're going to have 3 rounds, starting with a slow 400-meter jog, followed by 3 inchworms with a push-up in the middle, and then 12 alternating jumping lunges. All right. For the sake of this demo, we're going to do 2 inchworms just to show you what it's like to do multiple in a row. And then we're going to do 10 jumping lunges. Keep in mind, this is not meant to be done with a high intensity just yet. Kind of just oiling the joints, getting ready for the workout ahead. So this is our inchworms. Go ahead and go, guys. So starting from here, they're going to bend at the hip hinge, crawl out with their hands, a push up in the middle, and then inching back with their toes. Good hamstring stretch. Let's try one more. All right, so bending at the hip hinge, crawling out, push up in the middle, and then inching back with your feet, just like that, and then alternating jumping lunges. So we do 10 reps of this movement. So we're gonna start in a lunge position, and then we're gonna jump to the next side. There we go, just like that. So it's meant to be done alternating just like that. Keep in mind, guys, that each repetition done counts towards your reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, as opposed to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. And 3 rounds of that, and that is your warm-up for Tuesday.
After you do 3 rounds, we're going to head into the workout. And I need you to pay attention to this because it's a little bit confusing. So we're going to do 21, 15, 9. The first round, you're going to do 21 reps of 3 movements. The second round, you're going to do 15 reps of 3 movements. The last round, you're going to do 9 reps of the same 3 movements. So the first one is called ground to overhead. I don't care what you have. I don't care if it's a 1-gallon water jug or if you have some weights, or if you just find something that's a little bit heavy. Keep this thing close to you, tap the ground, take it up overhead. Move it as far as you possibly can. From the ground to extended overhead is as far as you can move. You're going to do that 21 times. We'll show you how to do that safely so you don't hurt your back. And then you've got probably the most challenging part of this. You got 21 burpees. So 21 burpees followed by 21 air squats. After you've done your 21 air squats, you go back to the ground to overhead, whatever this is, the water jug, whatever it is you're lifting. This time you're going to do 15 reps of ground to overhead, 15 burpees, and 15 air squats. Then the last round is 9 ground to overhead, 9 burpees, 9 air squats. There is no rest in between this. When we say, or when you say 3, 2, 1, go at the beginning and you start your ground to overhead, there is no rest in this workout. You just work all the way through your rounds of 21. After your 21st air squat, you start immediately on your ground to overhead for 15, 15, 15. Start immediately on your 9 ground to overhead, 9 burpees, 9 air squats. Once you're done with your 9 air squats, check your time and the workout is done.
Happy Tuesday, guys. Here's Tuesday's workout. We have a classic style CrossFit style workout. All right, there's 21, 15, 9. We do this a lot in CrossFit with different movements. Today we have 3 movements. All right, so we're gonna have a ground to overhead style movement, and I'll explain that in a second. Then we're gonna have burpees. Then we're gonna have air squats. All right, so the ground to overhead, you wanna find something in your house. If you guys have a barbell, use a barbell. If you guys have dumbbells, use dumbbells. If you have a plate, use a plate. If you have a medicine ball, use that. But if you don't have different style fitness equipment, you can get a heavy water bottle. You can find a bucket maybe and try to use that, or something around your house that has a little bit of density to it that is a little bit challenging to move. All right. So the ground to overhead, we're gonna do 21 reps of that, 21 burpees, 21 air squats. After you finish 21 reps of each movement is then going to go 15 ground to overhead, 15 burpees, 15 air squats, and then 9, 9, and 9. So 21, 15, 9 of all 3 of those movements. All right. For the sake of this demo, we're not going to do all of those repetitions. We're just going to do 3 reps of each, 2 reps of each, and 1 rep of each, just so you can see what it looks like to go through all 3 of these. All right, guys, so we're going to start with ground to overhead. We're going to start with 3 reps ground to overhead. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. So notice how they're going all the way from the ground all the way to overhead. 3 reps of that. And once they're done with that, they're going to go into 3 burpees. Awesome. Right into 3 burpees. Cool. Good job, guys. So keep in mind, chest deck all the way to the ground after 3 burpees, and then 3 air squats. Right after your burpees, you can go right into squats. Good job, guys. So 3 squats. And then once you're done with that first round, you then go to the round of 2 for our demo, or for your workout, it's going to be the round of 15. All right. So ground to overhead, just like that. So we have dumbbells, we have a plate, and we have a medicine ball doing all 3 of these movements. And then you're going to go into your burpees. So that's 2 reps. There we go. And then your 2 air squats for the sake of our demo. And then after that, they're going to go into their round of 1. All right, so they're ground to overhead. There we go. And then their burpees, 1 burpee, and then 1 air squat. 1 air squat. All right, guys, keep in mind that for this demo, we did a much shorter version of your workout. All right, 21, 15, 9 will take much longer than that, but that's kind of what it looks like doing all those movements in a row consecutively. Good luck.